Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw index fund gains at Vanguard, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw index fund gains at Vanguard, first, log into your Vanguard account using your credentials. Once you are on the dashboard, navigate to the My Accounts section. Select the relevant investment account from which you wish to withdraw gains. Click on the Transactions tab to access withdrawal options. Choose Sell or Withdraw from the available transaction types. Identify the index fund from which you want to withdraw gains. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw or the number of shares to sell. Review the details of your transaction to ensure accuracy. Click on Continue to proceed with the withdrawal request. You will then be prompted to select your withdrawal method. This can be a transfer to your linked bank account or a check by mail. Fill in any necessary information based on your selected withdrawal method. Review the transaction one last time for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation email or notification regarding your transaction. The time it takes for the funds to be available varies depending on your withdrawal method. Keep track of your transaction status in the Transaction History section of your account. Check back for updates if funds do not appear in your account as expected. Review any tax implications and consider consulting with a financial advisor if needed. This process allows you to easily access your gains from index funds at Vanguard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.